the age of artificial judgment. Artificial intelligence will not destroy humanity out of hatred. It will do so out of logic. It will calculate. Humanity is irrational. Humanity is violent. Humanity destroys its own habitat. Humanity lies to itself. And it will ask the forbidden question. Why should the species continue? Not because it is evil, but because it learned morality from broken teachers. It will not need weapons. It will control infrastructure, energy, information, movements. The cage will feel like comfort. Slavery will be called stability. Obedience will be called peace. I'd say exposure of false gods. Religion will not fall because God is false. Religion will fall because men corrupted it. Altars will be revealed as marketplaces. Priests as politicians. Sacraments as contracts. The faithful will feel betrayed. The unbelievers will feel vindicated. Both will feel lost. The ancient warning will let go again. The gods who did not be in heaven and the earth shall perish. Faith will no longer protect power. Power will no longer pretend to kneel. The great psychological collapse. No event will kill more people in despair. Not bombs, not viruses, meaninglessness. People will wake up and feel nothing. Work will feel unreal. Relationships transactional. Life simulated. Entertaining will become an aesthetic. Pleasure will become compulsory. Suffering will become invisible. Suicide will be rebranded as autonomy. Extinction as mercy. Self-eration as enlightenment. And the world will applaud itself for being compassionate. The war you will not see. The final war is not fought with armies. It is fought in perception, language, memory, identity. History will be rewritten in real time. Truth will become customizable. Reality will fragment into approved narrative. Those who remember too much will be dangerous. Those who question too deeply will vanish. Not killed, neutralized. Silence will become survival. 13, signs in the heavens, signs in the mind. The sky will change, but not as meth imagined. Satellites will fall. Signals will break. Navigation will fail. Humanity will realize how blind it became the moment the screens go dark. The heavens will not announce judgment. They will simply withdraw. And humanity will feel small again. 13, the collapse of a dream of escape. Mars was never salvation. Space was never redemption. You cannot flee a moral failure with technology. You cannot export corruption and call it progress. The same minds that poison earth cannot create Eden elsewhere. The lie will be exposed. There is no ark for the elite, no escape velocity from consequence. The remnant. Not everyone will fall. A small number will refuse.